I got a real small 2-panel pick a fence delivery here. This is something that I don't normally have to do in the Class B truck. Usually the Class A. But some of these little mobile home parks are even too small or too tight for our Class B truck. So what I'll do is I'll park out on the street and then just kind of run the product in with the Moffett. Fortunately, the address I'm going to is right at the entrance of this little park here. But I've been in here a few times with the truck, and there's always a lot of cars coming in and out. And based on this address being right here in the corner, I just didn't even want to drive in and deal with it. So, but a Class A truck you wouldn't want to bring in here, period. I've done it before in here, and it's pretty tight, because what'll happen in these little mobile home parks is people will park their golf carts or cars in stupid spots. You can make a couple turns and go to make a last turn around the corner, and you got cars parked to where your trailer won't be able to make the turn. So I've had to back out of places like this before around turns. It's not fun. So this is my house right here with the little Toyota, and it said I could drop it off unattended. I've already talked to the customer. They said they want it in the driveway. So I'm gonna get over here and see if I can get the customer to come out. How you doing? I just had these 2 panels for you.
Yeah. Up here someplace.
I can get them right to the edge here.
That's fine.
And then if you got a knife, we can, it's only 2 of them.
Yeah.
We can cut them off, and I can, if you can help me, I'll get them up there with you.
We can do that.
These things are 120 pounds each. They're not the lightest, but they're not the worst to deal with. I've had to drag them in off the street before when the straps didn't hold, so. And go right about there. Alright, I'm going to help them out. It's the last delivery of the 2022 here. Alright. Not the heaviest, but they're not the lightest either.
Well, they're big. That's the problem.
Yeah. Yeah, they should have come on a box truck. It's kind of silly to send 2 on a flatbed, but.
I have no idea. And they said you were going to be here by 9 o'clock or 6 o'clock this morning or something. I go, what? Okay.
Well, the store doesn't even open until
Well,
6.
that's
So we can't even pick them up.
Well, that's what I thought
Until somebody
yesterday.
comes out of the store.
And I asked him that, and he said, "Oh no, they'll be here." I go, "Well, okay."
Yeah, they don't know. Our route changes throughout the day depending on deliveries either canceling or we get add-ons, or the route changes. It get changed 10 times in a day.
Oh wow.
You know, because sometimes we'll go to pick something up and it'll be something like a drill, but they don't need the flatbed and a forklift. So.
Okay, right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, let me grab my other phone. I got to grab a picture real quick.
Okay.
You wanna toss that?
Yeah. Now I have to
Yeah. Doing it yourself?
Yeah.
That's cool. No, the one's short.
That's okay, because what happens is I'm only going to use the first lace. 6, 4 foot or 5 foot, and then one of them.
Oh, really?
It's going on the fence over here. I
Okay.
lost a lot of greenery here in the last 2 years, so I decided just to take it out. Well, take most of it out, and the other part just died.
Yeah.
So I had to put up a privacy fence, so that's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, great. Thank you. Have a happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. Thank you.
It looks like it might rain.
Got rained on this morning.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, out in Indio and Salton Sea area.
Oh, okay.
But we're a little more protected by the mountain over here,
Yeah,
so.
well, I was out at 6:30 this morning, and you couldn't see. I
Yeah.
mean, the clouds are right here.
Yeah, I was having a hard time on the freeway. The people with the lights off driving
Yeah.
in the fog, it was bad.
Well, I'm sure it was.
Yeah, so. All right.
Great. Thank you very
Take
much.
care.
Happy New Year.
All right, well, that wraps up the last delivery of the year. Easy one. I don't mind helping out once in a while. Something quick and easy. It's an early day. I'll help out the customers. Sometimes they tip, sometimes they don't. You just, it is what it is. If people are nice, if people are older, I'll give them a hand. It's the people that are just assume I'm going to do all their labor for them and are demanding. Those are the people that usually don't get the help, and they're not very nice. So, anyways, that was it for the year. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep this going for next year, and leave me a comment if you want. And Happy New Year's, guys.